So what's up? What's going on, everybody? I want to welcome you guys back to another edition of JA News. For today's show, we got an unboxing to get into, but let me ask you, would you be concerned if your package came delivered like this? Plus, these YEEZY rumors are going crazy, and let me tell you, I'm super excited because it looks like one of my most highly anticipated pairs has been added to the rumored drop list. So stay tuned for all of that, plus more, and it's coming right up next. So you can catch brand new episodes of JA News weekdays right here, so be sure to subscribe. Don't miss any updates. So to kick things off, we're gonna get straight into this unboxing. I ordered this pair off of the GOAT app, and originally the pair was supposed to arrive yesterday. The package was coming from Canada. Did have a delivery exception, and the pair arrived a day later today, and the box came in this somewhat concerning condition. Now, originally, my blame was on the shipping service. The package was delivered by UPS, but then I thought about it, and I gotta actually put the blame on GOAT for using this absurdly humongous box for a pair that I feel like shouldn't be this big. Now, mind you, I've never had a pair of these. I was excited to check them out because they have another pair officially dropping today, and with the slide market, you know, definitely expanding, and Salehe doing his thing over at Crocs, we had to check out a pair of the Pollex Crocs slides. So look at this huge box, y'all. Okay, so I understand why they needed this absurdly big box. Look at the packaging for these joints. Now, is this the standard packaging or what? Very interesting. So it comes with this plastic cover that just slides right off. Pretty cool. So yeah, off the first impressions, joints are a little bit heavier than the YEEZY slide. Again, that's kind of the standard that I'm comparing them to, but they're real squishy. In terms of the design, the first thing you'll notice, they're a lot more flat than what we're used to when it comes to the slide. This orange color is pretty cool. Definitely giving like jail slipper vibes, especially with the lower profile, but the cool fingerprint pattern that's kind of been a staple for Salehe and Crocs definitely is a standout design. You see it on the top as well as the bottom of the slide, which the bottom appears to be like slightly translucent. So have you guys tried these before? And if not, what are your first impressions of these joints? Let me know down below. So today they did have a release for the Tashmoo, the blue version of these joints right here. We also had the release of the Pollex Crocs clogs, the Niagara colorway, which is coming in like a gray shade. So salute to Salehe, 2 releases in one day as the Pollex Crocs line continues to expand. Now, I gotta say, off the first impression after throwing these joints on feet, in terms of comfort, I gotta give these joints the thumbs down. And that's just due to the fact that I feel like YEEZY slides have set the bar so high when it comes to slide comfort. It's gonna be real tough to live up to that. Now, I thought these joints were squishy, so they were gonna feel good on feet, but I gotta say, they are kind of stiff, but mind you, this was just my first impression. It could be over time that it may take time for these joints to break in or whatever, but when it comes to the design, I'm giving these the thumbs up. I'm a fan of the fingerprint pattern. I love the like little intricate grooves that you see throughout this. So the design, color of these joints, fire. Comfort, not so great, but I'm still excited to see what else Salehe and Crocs have in store for us. More colorways of these joints, and I'm excited to see if they have any new models waiting in the tuck. All right, so these YEEZY rumors are going absolutely crazy, and it is very important to note that we have yet to get any official word from Adidas yet. No official announcement, but coming up August 3rd, Adidas will be reporting their first half results. This is where they report numbers to shareholders. You can anticipate big revenue results as Adidas just had this whole big massive YEEZY sale. So it would be a shame to report these high numbers and then not let investors and shareholders know that they have more YEEZY drops planned. So if we don't get any official word from Adidas, I would anticipate to hear something coming up on August 3rd, which is funny because August 3rd also lines up with the first rumored Yeezy release. So over the past 2 days, we've been covering all of the pairs that are rumored to be dropping, all of the Yeezys on the rumored drop list. The first day we heard about a whole bunch of different dates, including various releases of Yeezy 350 V2s, as well as Yeezy slides. On the following day, more models were added to the rumored drop list, including new colorways of the Yeezy 450 Stone Gray we've never seen before, as well as the Foam Runner Stone Taupe. So we've yet to see this colorway until today. So let's go ahead and take a look at these joints. So of course, as expected, it looks like we have another shade of gray. So I'm not too hype on these joints, but as you guys know, Foam Runner's one of the most popular models of footwear currently, so it's just another chance for more people to be able to cop. So it is important to note that, taking a look at the tag, these joints were produced in October of 22. So remember that date, as we will be discussing that coming up later. Now, over the past 2 days, we've covered a total of 21 models, which are apparently a part of this rumored Yeezy drop list. And we got another toxic tweet here from some sneaker insider who said, hey, Gunna, Sneaker Visions, and the rest of crap profiles, which are sharing same info, which is incorrect. He said, we have 24 models, and that's just EU. Now go and get a real plug. He also provided this screenshot featuring additional SKU numbers. So thankfully, I was able to do my research here, and it looks like I was able to identify the 3 additional SKU numbers. So it looks like we got more pairs that people should be excited for. First and foremost, we got the 350 V2 red stripe. This pair right here did drop just last August for Yeezy Day, and it's still a highly coveted pair. If you guys think 350s are dead, the pairs with the stripes going on them are going absolutely crazy. So this will be another highly anticipated release. Also, we got a Yeezy 500. So this is actually the bone white pair that I was talking to you guys about a couple of weeks back. You know, just a clean all white version of the 500. This apparently is on the drop list as well. And then the pair that I'm most excited for, which apparently is on this list as well, the Yeezy 500 High Tactical. These joints go absolutely crazy, and out of all of the pairs releasing, I'm most excited about this pair because I pretty much look at these joints like a new Yeezy model. They're kind of an infusion of some boots and the 500 sole, but to me, these joints go absolutely insane. Now, we've seen this like sand pair, but these brown joints right here are a must cop. They go absolutely crazy, and this is now my most highly anticipated release from the drop list. Now, according to this insider, he's saying this is just for EU. So could it be that potentially for the US, we got more pairs planned to release? I can't wait to see what updates come up. But then again, taking things back to the production date on those Foam Runners, which remember were October of 22, I believe that the pairs that we're getting for this August drop are probably most of the releases that were originally scheduled for the end of 2022 last year. And then I'm expecting to see more pairs, you know, coming up soon. So could this be just the first of many Yeezy releases for the future? We'll have to wait and see, but I'm expecting to hear an announcement from Adidas coming up very soon. So let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know if you would like to see a full detailed review of those Salehe slides. Let me know down below, and let me know again which pairs you guys are most excited for this big Yeezy drop. So if you haven't done so yet, be sure to leave a thumbs up on this video. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Make sure y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out. Love.